Affirmations are a powerful tool that you can use to prepare your mind and body for childbirth. When you have thoughts that base in fear and worry, your body creates a physical response to those thoughts. The fight and flight response is your nervous system way of preparing your physical body to deal with threats, whether they exist in front of you or only in your thoughts. When you have positive thoughts, your body also has a physical reaction. This nervous system response, often called rest and digestion response, because it allows your body to relax and focus on internal processing. As we go through this positive pregnancy affirmation, please listen to each and repeat it silently to yourself. You don't need to analyze it or think about it. Just repeat and let it go. Find comfortable position, either seated or recline. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale full through your mouth. Take another full breath in and exhale. Allow your breath to return to its normal rhythm. Now, you are ready to listen and repeat this positive affirmation. My body has completely relaxed. I am excited to give birth to my baby. I trust in my ability to birth my baby. I trust that my body knows exactly what it's doing. I believe my baby's birth will come quickly and easily. Everything is going as it should during my pregnancy. My body will give birth in its own time in the way I desire. I have courage, faith, and patience. I am strong and healthy. I am ready. I am prepared for birthing experience. I visualize myself handling everything beautifully. I am calm, centered, and confident. My baby feels my love. My baby is happy and healthy. Every day, my baby increases in size perfect amount. My baby is growing and developing just as it should. The food I am eating are nourishing me and my baby. I am surrounded by love and my baby feels it. I have an amazing support system. When I ask for help, I receive help. I feel grateful to be able to feel a life growing inside of me. Take a deep breath in and exhale completely. Wiggle all your fingers and toes. When you are ready, open your eyes and notice how you feel.